In this video, we're going to go through Learning Target 2.2.1 and talk about how to calculate slope given 2 points. So we're going to start with the very first problem on the 2.0 section of your review, which says to calculate the slope between the 2 points given. We have negative 14, negative 2, and negative 11, 7. So the first thing, when I'm given 2 points and I'm asked to calculate slope, we have a formula for that. So we want to use our slope formula, which if we remember from Unit 2, that is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in order to plug things into that, we want to label our points correctly so then I can just quick plug in and simplify as easy as possible. So our first point we're going to label x1, y1, and then our second point x2, y2. So now that I have those, I can go ahead and plug them in to my formula. So my y2 is 7. Then I have minus from the formula, so minus. My y1 is negative 2 over. Then I have x2, which is negative 11, minus x1, which is negative 14. Once I have those, I can just go ahead and simplify. So I have 7 minus negative 2. Well, 7 minus a negative really means 7 plus 2, which gives me 9 over. And then negative 11 minus negative 14, those two negatives also turn into a plus. So I have negative 11 plus 14, which is 3. The last thing I want to double check is if I can simplify my slope. So right now I have 9 over 3. Well, I know that both of those can be divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. And 3 over 1 is just 3. So my final answer, my slope for this line, is m equals 3. I want to make sure we know what that means. So when we're asked to calculate the slope, that's the number that I want. This also tells me something about that line. I know if I were to graph the line, it would be increasing because my 3 is positive. It also would be fairly steep because it is a whole number.